to go! Touch all the red fruit. Red. Red, red.
Very good, Harper.
Way to go! Pick a sticker.
Pick a sticker. Is that Snoopy on there?
Touch the heart.
Which one's the heart? Very good.
Way to go! One of these fruits is not the same. Touch the one that's different. Way to go! This monkey wants
Let's count the fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. Very good.
Pick a sticker.
Ooh, a star.
This monkey only wants the biggest fruit. Touch the biggest fruit.
Those are the big grapes. Very
You
good.
did it. This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit.
A
Can
matching
you match
game.
The raspberry, apple, kiwi, kiwi, raspberry, lemon, raspberry, raspberry, apple, apple, lemon, lemon.
Good job. Good job, H.